this tutorial will be about the physics constraint Prismatic. This constraint is for one object to move alongside axis. So we will use this thing that will move like alongside this tube and it moves not on the forward axis but up and down axis. So first thing, we want to center marker and we want to make this world model. So bind to object to place the brush underneath the world model. Then if I select only my world model, I want to set physics shape to OBB as mostly usual, and I want to have the rigid body to true, of course, but for this one we don't want to have like the physics be inside of another object, otherwise it will like glitch. So because like physics being inside one another is not good, so I want this to be changed the solid to false. And for the mass I want something like 8 and density 4. Now I want to create a new object which will be the constraint Prismatic. And for this one we only use the first object name 1 to be the world model we just have, and since this whole like physics system will stay in place, we don't have a second object. Then we want to set the movement minimum and maximum. If we isolate the constraint and we set some maximum minimum, which should be negative for minimum, maximum positive, we see like how much it can move, but it's not the right side. So if we look here in this view, we can see we need to rotate this bad boy to the side like this. And now we can also to help ourselves like count the number of grid unit. So this side is like 200, so 200 here, and you can see I need a little bit more, so 250. I don't want it to be like I want to have some space because it's from the center of my like tube, and to the other side it will be like, if we count, it will be something like 100 like this to arrive here. If I isolate this, we can see there to there. And I want some friction, so friction something like 12, because I want enough friction so when it moves like it doesn't slide on butter. And this is it. We can compile the map and we can test this. If we go in the other room, which is here, we can shoot it and it will move. Like it will move alongside the pipe. And this is it for this tutorial. See you in the next one. Ciao.